Hello DJs, Rekordbox-Mac users. Finally, your Rekordbox collection duplicated tracks is gonna be under control. I create a tool for you. It's gonna save your time. Just in 2 clicks, 3 seconds, it's gonna generate for you a report that show you title track, artist name, BPM, and folder location. In 2 clicks, 3 seconds, you will find all the duplicated tracks in all your collection. To get this tool, I'm gonna leave for you a link in the description so you can buy my ebook. It's called Protect Your Ears, and you will get the tool for free. Thank you.